Can you pull in Leviathan with a fishhook? Or tie down its tongue with a rope? Can you put a cord through its nose or pierce its jaw with a hook? Will it keep begging you for mercy? Will it speak to you with gentle words? Will it make an agreement with you? Do you take it as your slave for life? Can you make a pet of it like a bird? Put it on a leash for the young women in your house? Will traders barter for it? Will they divide it up among the lovos? Will they fall up among the merchants? Can you fill its hide with harpoons or its head with fishing spears? If you lay a hand on it, you will remember the struggle and never do it again. Any hope of subduing it is false. The mere sight of it is overpowering. No one is fierce enough to rouse it. Who then is able to stand against me?